In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to find hidden photos here within your iPhone device. I'm going to show you all the possible ways on how pictures can be hidden on your phone and how you can actually find and locate those hidden photos. This can be due to various reasons. You may be in a situation where someone accidentally hidden a few photos and doesn't know how to get access to those photos, or you may be in a situation where you need to discover something for a specific legal reason. Please note that this is only for situations where you actually do have permission to access the phone. Do not use this for any other purpose. Only use it for ideal scenarios where you are actually entitled or given permission to access hidden photos that have been hidden by somebody else. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, without any further ado, let's jump straight into today's tutorial in here. So here we go, we're on my iPhone. Let's hop into photos real quick. And do not worry, this will work regardless of the iPhone model that you've got. If you do have a different iPhone model, this will work for you as well. So here I am on Photos app within my iPhone. And the next thing we're going to be doing is tapping on collections, or if you simply do not have the options to hop into collection, for example, if you have a much older iPhone device, no problem, simply scroll down because you won't be having these two sections in here. Simply scroll down and you'll be able to give a look at a section down here which says utilities, right? So here on utilities, you want to give a look at all the options or sections that we do have in here, or subsections, and you want to search for something called hidden. Okay, we do have recently edited, recently shared, recently saved, okay, recently viewed. So you want to search for hidden. Once you find hidden, you want to tap on hidden and open up that specific folder to see hidden photos. Now, you may be in a situation like mine where you do not have the hidden folder section in here. In that case, we're going to hop into utilities real quick in here and then double check if you do have hidden within here. So as we can see, we do not have hidden photos within this section either. That's probably because the photos have been hidden in a different way. So if it's not showing here, we're going to go back, we're going to go all the way up, we're going to close photos for a few seconds. Next up, we're going to hop into settings in here. Now, once we're here on settings, the next thing we're going to be doing is scrolling down and search for photos. We need to hop into apps in here. If you have a much recent operating system, you want to scroll down all the way to the letter P down here. There we go, it's a shortcut. And then you want to hop into photos in here. Once you tap on photos, you'll be able to give a look at all the settings which are related to the Photos app. Now, if you're unable to find apps down here within settings, what you can do is simply search. You have the search bar, which is sometimes located at the bottom or at the top as well, depending on your software version. So you want to hop into search, and then you want to search manually for photos. There we go. I've already found photos in here. So you want to hop into photos and you'll be back to the same screen where I was before. So what you want to do in here is scroll down and search for show hidden album. Okay, so this is probably turned off, so you even don't have access to that specific album, which is known as hidden photos. Okay, so you want to toggle it on. It's very important. Once you toggle it on, you want to close this, and then you want to hop back into photos real quick. Remember, you need to close photos and then reopen it for the change to be updated and to be effective in the Photos app. Now you want to scroll down within collections again, and then you want to search for hidden photos within utilities. As you can see, if I tap on utilities, we now have hidden here as the second option in here. So you want to go back and then you want to tap on hidden within utilities. Here we go, we do have hidden. Let's hop into hidden. It's going to ask me to position my Face ID or enter my passcode to view the album. Let me tap on view album and position my Face ID. There we go, I've unlocked it, and here we go. This is the hidden photo that I do have here hidden within my hidden album. This is how you can access the hidden photos on your phone. Now, we do have another method on how you can actually find hidden photos. But before we hop into the second method on how you can find hidden photos, I'm going to show you also how to hide photos. For example, let's say that I want to hide this photo right here. I'm going to hop into it, and then I'm going to tap on this three little dots at the top right corner of your screen. And next up, I'm simply going to tap here on hide and then hide photo, and the photo has vanished. It has been hidden hidden successfully. Now let me hop back into collection, scroll down all the way here to utilities, tap on hidden, and then position my Face ID or type in my passcode depending on your situation or your scenario. Let me tap on view album, and here we go. We do have the both hidden photos. Now if you want to make sure that the hidden folder doesn't show up in here, or if you want to make it vanish, do not forget to hop into settings, simply turn off show hidden albums, go back, close photos, and you'll be good to go. You won't be able to find hidden photos anymore here within utilities, right? Now let's hop into the second method on how you can find hidden photos. Now please note that the second method requires you to search, because we do have a few third-party apps here within App Store which pretend to be a different application, while in fact it's an app to store safely photos or videos that you wish to hide. Now those apps, usually when you open, they require you to type in a passcode. So you want to search for strange apps. For example, let me just show you a quick app that does that. Photos, let's go, hide, and then let me say calculator, for example. It's common to be in form of a calculator. I've seen it many times. There we go. We do have here calculator hide photos. Okay, so what happens here, you install this app, the app will have the same icon. It's going to show up like a normal calculator, and whenever you type in, you type a code, next up it's going to show you all the photos and all the hidden stuff that you do have within your vault or your security folder, right? So you want to search for strange apps in here, apps that you do not recognize within your iPhone. Search for it. It can be in form of, for example, a mail app or calendar or a strange stopwatch or anything like that. So you want to search for this basic common app that looks strange, try to open it and access it to see if it's a strange app. Now another thing you can do in here, usually people hide those apps and then they hide it again. Okay, so you want to go all the way right to the app library. You want to scroll down all the way down here to hidden. So once you're here on hidden, you want to tap once on hidden, and it's gonna ask for your Face ID or your passcode. Okay, let me quickly type in my passcode. Once I'm done typing in my passcode, as you can see, an app just showed up in here. So this Puma app, it's an app that I've hidden myself. It's hidden in here, and the only way to access it is to come to hidden. For example, let me close it and go back. It vanished real quick, and I'm unable to find that app in here. If I search for Puma, I won't be able to find it because it's hidden within my iPhone device. So what I need to do to access it is come here to hidden, tap once, position Face ID, then it's gonna show up in here. So you wanna hop into this section and see if you do not have any app hidden in here. Because one common way of hiding photos and videos, people usually store somewhere else and then they hide that specific app on top by sending it to the hidden section. For example, let me quickly hide my photos, my entire photos library. I'm gonna press and hold on it, and then I'm gonna tap here on require Face ID, done. And then I'm going to press and hold it once again, and it should show here the hide application. For a specific reason, probably due to an update or something, it's not showing. But for example, if I press this one, you'll be able to see an option in here that says hide and require Face ID. So you can hop into the second option, which will hide that specific app, send it into the hidden apps in here section. And to access it, you need to go all the way to the app library, scroll down and tap on hidden in here to access those specific hidden photos. So this is how people usually hide photos and how you can actually discover hidden photos within your iPhone device. I hope this video really helped you, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any questions or doubts so we can discuss further within the comment section. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video and for watching Fixed by Shaq. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.